Welcome to Cloudy Knit Crochet. My name is Lori, and I would love to crochet up a storm with you. So please subscribe and hit the notification bell. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And I would love to hear from you. So leave a comment below. Thank you. In this episode, we will be doing a unboxing. Before we open up the Yarnable subscription box, I'd like to show you my shawl that I've been working on. Each month when I get a Yarnable subscription box, I'm using the yarn for each month that I receive to add on to this shawl that I'm making. And the name of the pattern is called GraynBow, and I'll leave that information in the description box below. One thing when I looked at this pattern, I really love the fact that it has that asymmetrical shape to it. This is the first time I've ever done a asymmetrical shape for any kind of project, and it's really cool because the pattern tells you when to decrease and increase stitches, and that's what gives it this angle look. Now, if you're interested in making this pattern, I found the pattern very easy to make and very easy to follow. The color scheme that the designer did for this pattern is different than the way I'm working it up, because I was trying to coordinate in how can I use all these different colors of yarn instead of the design that she made her scarf as. And the way she made it, I believe the YouTube channel is called Fiber and Fox, and I could leave that information in the description box below. But the color coordination that she did her shawl was really pretty. I think it was the gray stripes were thicker, and then she was using these other different colors. So you could take her pattern and work it up, all different types of color schemes that would fit your personalities. So that's another thing I liked about this pattern is very versatile. You can use the pattern but change up the color scheme too. So anyway, last month I worked up this yarn right here, and I'm all caught up. So let's go ahead and open up the box. So let's go ahead and open up the box and see what our theme is for this month. So let me pull everything out. Oh, we got some fun things in here. So let's see what we got. I think I like looking at the card first to see what the theme is, and then we could look at all the fun items in there. So this is called, what does that say? Memorizing is brought to you by Mermaid Scales, Seafoam, and Salty Air. And this is the April 2022 box, and the extras are going to be spa bath salts, mermaid keychain, and a mermaid binder clips. Oh, and I always like to read the little question too. Did you know a mermaid's scales are unique to each mermaid and change color with their mood? All right, so let's see what we got here. Soothing bath salts, there they are. They're a lemongrass essential oil. And here's, oh, look at these. These are our binder clips. Look at the little mermaid tail. Very cute. And we got a key ring. Perfect. Sassy Sense Birth. Salty by choice is what it says. So those are our items that we got in this month's subscription box. And now let's check out the yarn. Ooh, look at those colors. Those are pretty. And this is a plush DK weight. It is 85 superwash merino and 15% nylon, 246 yards. Wow, check out those colors. With like greens and teals mixed with purples. Very pretty. So, if you take my scarf that I'm working on, that new color will be going right here. So that's going to look really pretty. So that's what we got in the Yarnable subscription box for the month of April. We got some bath salts, a key ring, and some binder clips. There you go. Thank you. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing of the Yarnable subscription box.